Enjoy this quick tutorial on how I made a flower backdrop using supplies from Dollar Tree. I started by measuring and marking where I wanted to place the flowers on my poster board. The spaces in between each flower is 2 inches. Then I went back in with a screwdriver and punched holes where I placed the dots. I pulled the flowers from their stems and I placed them where I thought I would want them to go. Next, I simply glued the flowers to the poster. This project took less than 2 hours and less than $30. I added a few leaves here and there just for some greenery, and then I was done. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this DIY project, and I'll see you next time.